Hi guys! Welcome back. This time, nandito ako sa Victoria Sports Tower Hotel in Quezon City for our strategic planning and programming workshop. So I'm gonna give you my honest review about my stay here for 4 days and 3 nights. Unang-una, mapapansin mo agad yung elevators nila. They have two, pero hindi sila synchronized. You have to press both buttons every time. Pag nagamit mo na isang elevator, yung kabila, titigil pa rin doon kasi may detection na may pinindot ka. So, super hassle, especially when you are in a hurry. Dito naman, napakalaki ng upper ground floor nila at marami kang makikitang vacant spaces. Nandito rin sa labas yung kanilang breakfast area na hindi kaanong malaki considering na kaya niyong mag-accommodate ng madaming tao. So it feels like they have a lot of improvements going on. Moving on, let's talk about the lobby. Maganda yung design nila dito, very modern and spacious. You'll notice agad yung one side ng wall looks like a check worth 10 pesos from the Bank of the Philippine Islands. Kind of a quirky touch. On the other side, they have a world map with different times from around the world. May mga interesting decor pieces din na nakakalat sa space. It feels like the hotel is trying to mix a bit of history and global flair, which gives a unique atmosphere. Definitely something you won't miss when you enter. They also have a different set of elevators for the room, which is nice. Now, pagdating sa room, isa lang yung keycard na ibinigay sa akin, which can be a bit of convenience, lalo na kung may kasama ka. Pagpasok, may big mirror agad na makikita mo. The bathroom is transparent, which is kind of funny kung may kasama ka. Pero don't worry, may blinds naman for privacy, although syempre hindi ganun ka-tight, so there's still small gap. The room also comes with a water heater, a table for working on your laptop, and basic hotel amenities like soap and shampoo. However, during my stay, the room was not cleaned even once. Kahit I called the front desk multiple times. I had to ask for refills on bottled water and other consumables, and it took several follow-ups before they attended to it. There were also some issues with the bathroom. Yung flush, minsan hindi nag-work properly. Kapag gagamit ka ulit, kailangan mong manually i-open and fix the sensors para mag-fill up ulit yung tubig. Pagbukas mo naman itong curtains at pagpunta mo sa balcony, ang view lang na makikita mo ay yung balconies din ng ibang rooms at iba't ibang floors. So, ganun lang siya. Now, for the amenities, sobrang dami nilang facilities. They have a jacuzzi, lap pool, water spa, sauna, table tennis court, basketball court, tennis court, badminton court, gym, treadmill area, boxing gym, mixed martial arts area, billiards, play gym, private gym, and jogging pass. But here's the catch. Most of these come with an extra fee. The only free facilities are the gym and water spa or yung swimming pool. I went to the gym after each workshop session, and kahit sira-sira na yung ilang plates, complete naman sila sa equipment if you're not too picky. Overall, the stay wasn't really satisfying. The room cleaning service was a big letdown, and the staff wasn't as friendly compared to other hotels I've stayed at. Nag-follow up ako ng ilang beses for simple requests, and it took too long for them to respond. Also, the elevator situation is a hassle. While the hotel has great potential, especially with design and amenities, the service really needs improvement. But if you're just here for the gym or the unique atmosphere, you might still enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts if you've stayed here before. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you had a similar experience. See you in the next video.